They say that good things come in small packages. I'm not sure that's always true, but today it is. I'm unboxing a kintsugi repair. Kintsugi, the Japanese art of golden joinery, is used to fix broken ceramics. Kintsugi doesn't make the object look like new. It actually accentuates the damage while enhancing aesthetics. It tells the history of the piece and all that it's been through. What did I have repaired? A little white Gaiwan that I dropped and broke. It wasn't an expensive item. I paid $7 US for it. So why would I go to the time and expense of kintsugi? Well, I'll get to that. But first, let's unbox this together. Oh, wow. Now my little Gaiwan has its history etched on the lid and saucer. This was my first Gaiwan, and it taught me so much. This Gaiwan's creative energy infused tea into my cup and ideas in my mind. This Gaiwan traveled with me to brew the very last cup of tea I would ever be able to serve my mother. So when it broke, it spoke to me about how messy this existence can be. How unpredictable life really is despite our plans. Our mistakes and accidents leave scars, unless we choose to view them as milestones on the journey. Thank you to Nishan Hawk of Kintsugi, whose skill and artistry brought my Gaiwan back to life, only older and wiser. Someday this Gaiwan will belong to my son, who also loves tea. I hope it teaches him that flaws and differences are the very things that make life so rich. Kintsugi to me is as much a philosophy as an art. It emphasizes the breaking points in our lives and how they make us stronger, braver, and more beautiful.